Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with musegrid.com, and we're building on a previous tutorial where we showed you how to use anchors to create a smooth scrolling effect on the page. But what we want to do now is we want to create some persistent navigation. So the idea is that when you scroll down the page, this navigation bar stays in place. But how do we do that and make this whole header not be there as well? I mean, we can pin things to the top, but then the effect wouldn't be quite right. So I'm going to show you what this effect will look like. If I just hit preview page in browser, let's pull this page over here. So we've got the page scrolling, but notice as we scroll down, we get this nice navigation popping up, and this allows us to navigate with that persistent navigation there. But in this navigation, we've also got top, and when you go to the page, it disappears. How did we do that? Well, let's show you. This is the page that we were working on before, but what we've actually done is we've gone into the master page and we've removed everything from the header and we've pasted it into the page itself. And because it's only going to be a single page layout, that's quite fine to do because we're not going to want elements to run across multiple pages. We then put our menu navigation here as we did before and make sure that all of the buttons on the navigation here go to the correct anchor. But notice what we've got here. If I click on this blue text block here and bring it down a bit, I've actually got another menu underneath, and this is sitting at the very top of the page. And what we're doing with this navigation is, if you notice here, we're pinning it to the top. And we've also been able to change one of the items so that it says top instead of home. Now, when we do that, that menu is hidden when the page is in its normal position. But as you scroll down the page, we can't see it in this view, let's go into preview. As you scroll down the page, this menu goes up with the page scroll, but the menu underneath, because it's persistent, shows up from underneath. So you get this nice effect of the page scrolling down, this new menu appearing and staying at the top. But actually it's been there all the time. It's just sitting under this blue block here. So let's just take a look at that in action again. Let's slide this down so you can see there the menu showing up. And we can scroll up and down the page. And then when we go back to the top, it disappears again. And it happens so fast that it's very nice and neat. So that's how you can build these really nice persistent menus that show up and stay at the top of the page as you scroll down. And you can do lots of different things with that, and you use your own creative mind to how you want that to work. But that's the basic principle of it. And thanks for watching.